Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to save private photos in Instagram on a device. So to do so, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So Instagram does not allow you to view photos from private accounts unless you are approved as a follower, because this is a part of their privacy policy and there is no legitimate or ethical way around it. So to see the photos of private accounts, here's how you can do it. So here's what you can do it. The first is send a follow request. Like, you can to whom you want to follow and approve, search that particular person, go to their profile icon and click on the option follow, tap follow and wait for them to approve your request. So if you know them, a polite DM like, hey, send you a follow request can help you speed up. And while doing this, avoid these serious like private Instagram viewer apps or website. Most are scams, steal data or infect device with malware, and there are very fake profiles to spy like against Instagram guidelines and just not cool. So there's also the hacking tools like illegal and extremely risky. So why you can see private photos mean Instagram policy model is designed to protect users content, and bypassing it violates terms of services and also could get your account banned. So if you are trying to access photos for a genuine person, like verifying someone or checking content before a collab, I can help you a word or respectful message to send. So that's how you can do it, and following all the Instagram guidelines and the rules and regulation provided by the Instagram. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.